Adulterate means to make something poorer in quality by adding another substance, often for selfish gain. This practice is usually carried out to increase the quantity of the product. However, in doing so, it reduces the product's value and, in many cases, its safety. Think about it like this: when someone mixes water with milk to sell more of it, or when sand is added to cement, the quantity may increase, but the quality and the safety of the product is compromised. This isn't just unethical, it's also dangerous depending upon what's being adulterated. In scientific research and medical diagnostics, adulteration can refer to contamination of a sample, which may skew experimental results. Now, let's look at different forms of the word adulterate. The word adulterate in itself is a verb. Adulterated is the adjective, while adulteration is the noun. Adulterator is the word used for person responsible for adulterating something. Let's move on to examples now, and let's look at how the word adulterate is being used in different sentences. To increase profits, the vendor adulterated the olive oil with cheaper oils. During the inspection, they discovered that milk had been adulterated with water. Consumers were warned about the adulterated spices being sold in the market. The report highlighted widespread adulteration in the beverage industry. The adulterator in the factory was caught and terminated from his position. To summarize, adulterate means to degrade the quality of something by adding another substance, typically to increase the quantity for economic gain. This unethical practice can compromise safety and efficacy, particularly in areas like food, medicine, or scientific research.